fat-burning drink. Today, we are going to share with you one of the drinks that naturally reduced our belly fat. To make this beverage, we'll need 2 cleaned organic lemons, a lot of ginger, a stick of cinnamon, and a secret ingredient, which we'll add at the very end. To begin, we'll chop out a ginger the size of a thumb, peel the skin off, and then mince or grate the ginger. If you can't find fresh ginger, you can also use ginger powder. Following the cutting and juicing of the lemons, we'll chop the lemon peels into small pieces and reserve the lemon juice for use later. This lemon peels is not in the least fancy. Will serve as the foundation for a beverage that burns fat. This is because lemon peels are very nutritious and full of the antioxidants we need for this beverage. So pour 1.5 liters of clean water into a deep pot. Add the lemon peels, ginger, and cinnamon stick or powder, and bring to a rolling boil for 20 minutes. Turn off the heat and let the mixture rest for 10 minutes to let more of the beneficial ingredients release. The secret ingredient is hot pepper, specifically either chili or cayenne pepper. A little goes a long way, so add as much as you can bear. A pint is just enough for this glass cup. Strain the liquid and save the cinnamon stick for later use. Now it's time to add the reserved lemon juice. Pour into a glass and add your preferred sweetener for hydration. Sip on this an hour before your first meal and throughout the day. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to follow our channel. We have a variety of informative and interesting videos on all things health and wellness. Thanks for watching.